A diagram shows sign hanging from the wooden beam. The sign has a mass of 4 kg, so 4 kgs downward, so that means weight will be 4 into g. Calculate the moment of weight of the mass about p and about q. So we have to find the moment of this about p, so let us call that as mp. mp will be force, that is 4g, into perpendicular distance. So this is perpendicular directly, so 8, and this is clockwise direction, this is in clockwise direction, hence we have to give it as negative. So 8 4 is 32, minus 32 times g is 9.81. So this is mp. Then mq, moment about the point q. Moment about the point q will be force, that is again the same, weight is 4g, times this distance. That distance is total distance 12 minus 8, and this one is in anti-clockwise direction, so it is positive. So 12 minus 8 is 4, 4 4 is 16, so 16 times g, so plus 16 times g is that value. So a bit is over. B bit.
Yes.
Comment on any modeling assumptions you have made. Modeling assumptions. Okay. What assumptions? We know that it is angle is 90 degrees now. I think that is the one assumption we made. Then the weight will be acting in downward direction, and we are assuming that the center of mass of this plate is exactly in line with this. Okay.
Yes.
If the center of mass is somewhere else, then that point will come down. Okay, and the block will become inclined like this or like this. Okay.
Yes.